So I wanted to share with you guys how I get some of my free formula samples. I signed up online through Similac and they sent me these 3 cans. They're 8 ounces and 7.6 ounces, different kinds. A lot of times when you sign up with Similac or Enfamil, they'll send you coupons or rebate checks that you can use. They range anywhere usually from $5 to $15. The $5 ones I like to use on these size cans. They're 13 ounces, they're concentrated, you mix them with water, super easy. They usually cost me about 20 cents after tax and the rebate check. So really super easy. Through Pinch Me, in one of the boxes, I was actually able to get this huge can of Gerber formula, and it's 23.2 ounces. In one of my sample boxes that I've gotten, I got the single serve packet. These are super convenient to have in like the diaper bag, or just keep with you in your car, or just throw them in your purse. Each one makes a 4-ounce bottle. And then one last resource that is kind of overlooked is through your doctor's office. My OB's office, they have, this was the first one I got when I very first started going there. And it has some little things on top here, little nipple to go in the bottle. He threw in a little book thing, some coupons, little bottles, it looks like. Anyways, the case is insulated, which is really nice. Has a little ice pack that you can put in here. And it also came with a couple of cans of formula. So that one's 8 ounces and 8 ounces. And then recently, when I was in their office, I asked them about some more formula samples just to have on hand. And they pulled this out and gave this to me, which is 6 8-ounce cans, just a flat. They had just a whole room full of boxes and boxes and boxes of formula. So the lady was like, yeah, just take this. I was like, okay, awesome. So doesn't hurt to ask. Also, when the baby is born and you start going to see your pediatrician, ask them, because a lot of times, just from past experience with other babies that I've had, their doctors usually would have samples on hand, and they were more than willing to hand them out. So don't be afraid to ask. You'll get a lot of samples if you do. One thing to watch for though is, so with Similac, I get most of my stuff from them. Enfamil, for whatever reason, whenever the envelopes come in the mail that have the formula checks, I only ever get the front cover that has my name and address on it. Everything else has been ripped off. So I think somebody somewhere between the Enfamil factory and my house needs Enfamil formula checks, and so my checks always disappear. So just be careful of that, but otherwise there's a lot of great resources out there, so don't be afraid to take a look and see what's available in your area.